This month's object comes from the dental collection at Surgeons Hall Museums. These forceps are for usage when extracting maxillary molars. On this particular object, the rivet of the box joint is covered on the front and the back with a strip of decorated brass and the handles are richly ornamented. These forceps were made by a blacksmith. Extraction forceps are the most familiar instruments with regard to extraction of tooth/teeth. They are the instruments that are used to remove the tooth out of the alveolar bone socket. Ideally, forceps are used to lift the tooth, which is luxated by the elevator. Also, they are useful in expansion of bone. The design and configurations of the extraction forceps are such that they can be adapted for removal of specific tooth.
There are many reasons why a patient may need to have a tooth removed, including gum disease, tooth decay, or a fracture. Occasionally, a general dentist can repair a damaged tooth with a crown, filling, or root canal. However, if the damage is too severe or threatens the health of the surrounding teeth, the tooth may need to be removed. The best way to determine if a tooth needs to be removed is with an oral exam and X-ray evaluation. We provide the latest and high-definition 3D imaging that allows us to evaluate your jaws and surrounding teeth.
This imaging provides us with all the information necessary to safely extract the tooth and to recommend the restorative treatment that's right for you. When developing your treatment plan, we'll take into consideration the tooth's relationship to other structures in your mouth, such as the remaining healthy teeth, sinuses, and nerves in your jaw to ensure an optimal recovery. We work hard to ensure that you understand your treatment options in order to maintain your oral health and restore your smile.